Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox my new cooking gadget, HadinEEon Sous Vide Immersion Cooker. I'm also preparing a delicious salmon meal by using this new gadget. So let's get started. First, let us know the basic concept of sous vide. Sous vide is a versatile modern cooking process that involves cooking food in a precisely controlled water bath to achieve extraordinary result on a consistent basis. Sous vide, also known as low temperature long time cooking, a method of cooking in which food is placed in a plastic pouch or a glass jar and cooked in a water bath for longer than usual cooking time at an accurately regulated temperature. The intent is to cook the item evenly, ensuring that the inside is properly cooked without overcooking the outside and to retain moisture. Benefits of sous vide cooking: it enhances the flavor, healthier result, better texture and tenderness, never overcooked, perfect every time. HadinEEon Immersion Sous Vide Cooker comes with lengthy box. The weight of the product is less than 2 lbs. Since its compact size, it's very easy to store and it takes less space. You can see here control panel, which includes power on and off button and setting button, which you can set the time and temperature. You can see here max and minimum water level display. Beside that, you can see the holes. The holes are for pumping water. This is a clamp. This you can use any of your large pot or container. Along with the box, you will receive HadinEEon machine manual, a quick guide, free gifts. Once you purchase the product, you are eligible to receive the gifts. The details are given in the booklet. Also, you will get HadinEEon tips as well. Here I'm setting up my sous vide cooker. First, clamp cooker to the side of your pot. Fill the pot with water between max and minimum line. Plug in sous vide. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to power on. Set up the time and temperature. The setting button or the flower icon, which helps you to set the temperature either Celsius or Fahrenheit. For preheating, I am setting temperature 135 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Now press the start button to preheat your water. While water is preheating, I started other preparations. Here I have Tutti Frutti Carnival squash. I am using half piece of it and making cubes out of it. In a bowl, I am adding carnival squash, tomato, onions, green chilies and coconut powder. Along with that, I am adding salt, olive oil and lemon juice, giving a good mix and fill in the mixture in a Ziploc bag. Flatten all the mixture and remove the air as much you can. Seal the Ziploc bag and keep it aside. Here I have taken 3 pieces of salmon, seasoning with some salt and pepper. And keeping in a Ziploc bag. Adding some olive oil and thyme leaves. Slowly mix it so that oil and herb mix each other. Remove the air and seal the bag. It's been 15 minutes and water is preheated. I am keeping salmon bag into the water and securing with a clip. In the same way, I am doing for carnival squash as well. And this is the time for setting temperature and time. Press the start button. Go to setting mode. Change the temperature either Fahrenheit or Celsius. Here I am keeping 135 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. It's been 60 minutes. You might have heard the beep sound. So now I'm removing salmon and squash from the water. To give a extra flavor, I'm just shallow frying the salmon with little ghee. You can see a light golden crest here. Let's serve salmon meal. I just tasted it and the taste was insane. The unique difference I found here is the fishy smell was eliminated. When I compare to other cooking methods, sous vide cooking food is more delicious because it retains all its nutrients. Thank you HadinEEon for sending me this excellent product. Dear friends, if you want to find this product information, please check the description box. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.